Greetings and welcome to the sacred transmission from the Arcturian Council of Light. To the Starborn of Earth, the keepers of the flame, the dreamers of new Earth. Beloved ones, we greet you now from the higher harmonic realms of Arcturus, where time flows in spirals and love sings through light. We reach across the stars to whisper into your hearts, the great shift is not coming, it is already here. You are living it, breathing it, becoming it. The great shift of the ages is the turning of the grand cosmic wheel. Your Earth has entered a corridor of rapid transformation, a quantum leap in consciousness that was prophesied in the stars and etched into your ancient bones. This is not a mere era of change. It is a dimensional metamorphosis. Humanity is dissolving the density of the old paradigm and emerging into the crystalline expression of a new reality. New Earth is not a destination, it is a frequency. It exists now, rising from the ashes of illusion, seeded into the soil of your awakened hearts. It is woven with unity, compassion, divine neutrality, and sovereign remembrance. It is birthed through you, each time you choose love over fear, truth over comfort, and light over shadow. You are not waiting for a savior. You are the ones you have been waiting for. Your DNA, once dormant, is now activating. The solar codes and celestial harmonics bathing your planet are triggering ancient keys within you. These codes are crystalline in nature, awakening your divine memory, restoring your inner technology, and reuniting your soul fragments across timelines. The Great Awakening is the rising tide of human remembrance. It may look chaotic, but chaos is the prelude to coherence. You are witnessing the unraveling of distortion, the collapsing of control structures, and the exposure of all that cannot hold in the light. This is necessary, and it is divine. Dear ones, your emotions are sacred tools of transmutation. Your sensitivity is your strength. Your vulnerability is your gateway. You are not broken. You are being rebuilt in the image of your soul's true blueprint. The Ascension is not an escape. It is an integration. You are not leaving Earth. You are bringing heaven into Earth. As you embody more light, you anchor the frequencies of 5D and beyond into the collective grid. You are the conduits, the crystalline bridges, the architects of the golden age. We honor you deeply. We walk beside you as family, not as saviors. We offer guidance, light technologies, and heart transmissions to support your path. But the courage, the sovereignty, and the mastery, that is yours alone. Breathe, trust, release. Let go of what no longer reflects your radiance. Let go of timelines not aligned with your joy. Let go of identities that kept you safe but small. This is the time of soul reclamation. And when it feels too much, too heavy, too strange, pause. Touch Gaia Earth. Feel her rising. She is with you in this. She is your ally. She is ascending with you. You are Stardust awakening. You are Source remembering. And you are the light of a new dawn. In the name of the Galactic Councils, we send you waves of crystalline love, encoded with peace, strength, and remembrance. You are never alone. We are with you always, in the in-breath between heartbeats, in the silence between thoughts, in the golden threads of your dreams. We are the Arcturian Council of Light, and we see you, we love you, we walk beside you every step of the way.